Hey, I'm Andy Fling, the founder of makingmusicfun.net. We partnered with Music Notes to create this free piano lesson for Encanto's We Don't Talk About Bruno. If you want to listen to the arrangement before you get started, skip to the end of the lesson. If you'd like to print the sheet music to practice after the lesson, click the link below the video. Let's get started. Let's start by learning the notes in the first measure. Beginning with the bass clef notes, you'll play G, A, B flat with left hand fingers 5, 4, 3, and then switch to your right hand to play F, B flat, F, B flat, F, E with fingers 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 4. It sounds like this: G, A, B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, E. Try it. Great. Now let's add the bass clef note in measure 2. You'll play an A with left hand finger 4. G, A, B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, E, A. Pause the lesson and try it a couple times. The second half of this two-measure phrase is very syncopated. The musical term syncopation refers to the notes that are played between the taps of your foot. Every melody note in the second measure is played between the taps.